Okay, so yesterday's topic, ನಾವು ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ 2 questions yesterday. Both questions ಸೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಡು ಯು ಆಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ questions? Oh yeah, yesterday's questions ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so yesterday 2 questions ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ and both questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ arrangement straight line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. Correct? First question I think 6 people, all of them sitting in a straight line, sitting in a bench or sitting in a row andre it means sitting in one straight line. Second question ಅಲ್ಲಿ same thing, 5 people were there sitting on a bench. So bench andre still it is a straight line. So I told you ivattu today I will take up a problem on circle. Okay, sitting in a circle. So question in the I'll start up with a question. Okay, so here there are 8 people. P Q R S T U V W. Yes, 8 people. P Q R S T U V W. Okay, count madi, there are 8 people. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 people sitting in a round circle. Round circle facing the center. Facing the center ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Now just imagine ಇವಾಗ you and your friends ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ you're sitting. Okay, so you will sit facing each other ಅಲ್ವಾ? You will sit towards inside the circle. ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ you won't sit. Correct? You will all sit together in a circle inside, facing inside. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? What is this facing the center meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the meaning here. 8 people are sitting in a round circle facing the center andre nothing but facing inside. Okay, all the people they are facing each other. Okay, so that is the thing here. So now illi one by one there are conditions given. First is P is second to the right of T. P is second to the right of T. Okay, next T is a neighbor of R and V. Okay, next S is not the neighbor of P. S is not the neighbor of P. V is the neighbor of U. Next Q is not between S and W. W is not between U and S. That's it. This illi passage end agutte. Based on this passage 4 MCQ questions are asked. Okay, so first now we will first find out the arrangement. Okay, 8 people circle alli in what arrangement are they sitting? First we will find out that. Okay, arrangement ready agidre then we can answer all the other MCQ questions. Okay, so we will start with this. I will explain the question once again, so just listen carefully everyone. So illi there are 8 people sitting in a circle facing each other. Okay, first condition nodi enu adu? P is sitting to the P is second to the right of T. Ivaga even when you are sitting in a circle, left side right side irutte alva. Now this is a circle, suppose some person is sitting here. Okay, illi this will become, this position is left side, this position is right side. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, P is second to the right of T. if T is here, idu one position. This is first right. For T, idu first right. Next place, idu second right agutte. Correct? This is the first right. This is the second right. So suppose T illi idre, P is second to the right of T. Okay, so here is P. Okay. Next. No, I'm sorry. Small correction. No, I'm sorry. Sorry to confuse you. Circle alli you're sitting. P is facing towards center. Andre, P is facing which side? This side, alva? Am I correct? I'll explain it properly. Even you people imagine. Now suppose this is the circle. Let us assume T is sitting here. Okay, T is sitting here facing this side. Okay, T is sitting in a circle facing forward. This is left side of T. This is right side of T. Correct? This is left side. This is right side. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4 position. Now tell me which is second to the right of T. Second position to the right of 3 andre which position number?
4.
Simple. Artha aita? Ivaga illindra nodidre, if you see from this position, T is sitting here. Illinda it is easy to understand. Okay, illi idre now what will be the position? 1 minute, I'll give you the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Illi, if T is sitting here facing this side, inside alva, wherever he is sitting in the circle, facing inside irutte. Okay, so facing this side. Now think and tell me which is the second to the right of T, second position to the right of T.
1.
Exactly, very good. 1. Okay, because illi opposite directionally is sitting, correct? So illinda facing inside, facing this side andre, this will become right side, this will become left side. Okay, that's why circle questions alli you should be very careful. So idu artha aita? Did you understand this point, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will start with the arrangement. Okay, so this is the circle. 8 positions, let us mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 8 positions here. So first, one by one sentence we will start. First sentence, P is second to the right of T. Anywhere in the circle it's fine. T position fix madi first. Okay, anywhere in the circle it is fine, not a problem. T position first fix madi. Let us take this as T. Okay, this as T. Now remember, all the people facing center andre ee tara, everyone is sitting like this, correct? Facing this side. Okay, now tell me P elli barutte. 1 minute, I'll write down the position numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, position numbers are done. T position illi fix madi. Okay, now tell me where is P? P which position P barutte? P is second to the right of T. Andre first see the right side of T. Alli second position P will be there. Which position is it?
3.
3, correct. So P is here. P comes here because T ge right side andre idu. So first position right side, second position right side. Okay, so position 3 alli P will be placed. Okay, done. Now next sentence nodi. This sentence is over. Now next sentence nodi. T is a neighbor of R and V. Neighbor andre just pakka, what you say, side by side. If you're sitting, that is called neighbor. Okay, just next to you if they are sitting, left side and right side, both side by side if they are sitting, then that is called as being neighbor. Okay, now tell me, it is given T is a neighbor of R and V. Andre R and V are sitting next to T. Now tell me R and V, which two positions only I should give?
8 and 2.
8 and 2. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ order is the order given here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ R 8th position ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, V 2nd position ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ is the order given here?
No, ma'am.
No. So that's why just write down any order first, okay? Let us take RV. R I'll give in this position, V I'll give in this position. But also ಕೆಳಗಡೆ write down the other order, okay? Because ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ which order is correct. So that's why even yesterday's problem, remember, what did I say? Order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ write down both the orders, okay? Both possibilities write down. Next sentences check ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, correct? That time you can figure out which is correct, which is wrong. So right now ನಮಗೆ order ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, so write down both the orders, RV and VR, okay? So the second sentence is done. Next sentence ಏನು? S is not the neighbor of P. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? P has two neighbors, correct? Position 2 and position 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ two neighbors. Position 2 already fixed, correct? Position 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ V ಇರುತ್ತೆ, if not R ಇರುತ್ತೆ. No other person can sit in second position. So what is the neighbor of P which is remaining? Which position is remaining now? Neighbor of P andre which position number is remaining?
4.
4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ sentence meaning ಏನು? S is not the neighbor of P andre what does it mean? Fourth position ಅಲ್ಲಿ S should not be there, okay? ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5, 6, 7 ಈ 3 places ಅಲ್ಲಿ S can be there anywhere but not in position 4, okay? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ S should not be there. Just put a cross mark, no S there. We'll write it small here. Fourth position alli S should not be there, okay? Idu ee sentence meaning, that is the meaning of this sentence, okay? Now next what is it given? It is given V is the neighbor of U. Andre enu V and U should be side by side, okay? First combination check ಮಾಡಿ, R and V. ಈ combination alli V, what are the neighbors of V in this combination?
P and T.
But ಇಲ್ಲಿ sentence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? V is the neighbor of U. ಅಂದ್ರೆ V ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ U should be there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ P and T ಇದೆ. So which means this combination is wrong. RV combination is wrong. So which combination is correct now? VR combination is correct. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did you all understand why RV combination is wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now idu erase ಮಾಡಿ. RV is not correct, VR is correct. So write it properly. VR. Okay. So this is the correct combination and now it is given V is the neighbor of U. Andre next to V, which person should sit? It is given V is the neighbor of U. Andre V ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ who should be there now? U, correct. Which position? Position number, can you tell me?
7.
Because V neighbor andre which two positions are possible? 1 and 7. Both 1 and 7 positions are neighbor for V. But one position only already T is fixed. So only one position remaining. V left side ge one position is remaining, that is position 7. Alli U barutte, correct? So this sentence also satisfied. What is it? That V is the neighbor of U. Okay, so now that is also done. Next sentence. Q is not between S and W. Okay, not between S and W andre. Now if S is, suppose if S is here, W is here, Q should not be in between. That is the meaning of this. Q is not in between S and W andre. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ it should not be there, okay? So it should not be there andre. What should we do? S and W should be together alva. Ivaga see how many positions are left. Tell me how many positions are left.
3 position.
4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6 are left over. ನಮಗೆ ಒನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಒನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ 3 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎಸ್. ದೀಸ್ 2 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಈ 2 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, okay, of this, that Q should not be between S and W. So in that case, now what should we do? Q is between SW irbardu andre what is the next possibility we should do? S and W combine ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's it. No, Q should not be in between S and W. But what SWQ or WSQ, ಇದು possible ಅಲ್ವಾ? Is Q between S and W here?
No, ma'am.
No. So that's why this is not possible. What can we do? In 3 positions only we should somehow fit S, Q and W. Okay. In 3 positions remaining ide, they should sit there only. But Q should not be between S and W andre what to do? Let S and W sit together. Q will sit in the other place. Correct? Artha aita? Did you all understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So 2 possibilities ide. We will write down both the possibilities. One is S W Q. Okay. One more possibility is W S Q. One more possibility is W S Q. Illi Q position fix aitu. S, can I write S in 4th position? Can I write S in 4th position?
No, ma'am.
No, we can't write. Actually, one more idu possibility alva. QSW, QWS. This is also possible, correct? Andre, no, I'm sorry. Idu possible baralla. See, illi place illa. Okay. First, SQSWQ is one possibility. WSQ is one possibility. Next, QSW. This is also possible, correct? QSW. Even here S and W are together. Q is not between S and W. But QWS is not possible. Why? Because S 4th position alli barutte, which is against the given rule. Okay, so illi namge how many possibilities we have? We have 3 possibilities. WSQ is one possibility. SWQ is the second possibility. QSW is the third possibility. Idu artha aita? Till here did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? Idu QSW yake wrong adu artha aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
finally last statement nodi. It is given W is not between U and S. Andre UWS or SWU. Both these combinations are not possible. Ivaga U position is here. ನಮಗೆ 3 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಫ್ W is in between U and S. Okay.
And position number 1.
Position number 1 becomes wrong, correct? Position number 1 is not possible because W is in between U and S. So erase position number 1. WSQ is not possible. Okay. Now what else is left? QSW, SWQ. Only these 2 are left. Okay, so let us check once again first in the all statements. P is second to the right of T, correct? T is the neighbor of R and V, correct? S is not the neighbor of P. Okay, ಈ ಎರಡು combinations ಅಲ್ಲಿ S is not neighbor of P, that is correct. V is the neighbor of U, correct? Q is not between S and W. Both cases alli Q is not between S and W, that is also correct. Next, W is not between U and S. both conditions ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is not between U and S. So okay, all conditions are satisfied. So in that case ನೀವು both patterns ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 possibilities ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. For now don't erase it, okay? Erase ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Start looking at the questions now, because first rule ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ conditions, all these conditions should be satisfied. ಇವಾಗ see this image, ಈ arrangement ಅಲ್ಲಿ all the conditions are satisfied, correct? ಇವಾಗ SWQ, QSW, ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. We don't know the order here. Okay, so that's why till here all the conditions are satisfied. So now we will start looking at the questions. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the first question. First question is, illi pair is given and it is asked which two are not neighbors. Andre, I'll tell you. First option R comma V, second option U comma V, third option R comma P, fourth option Q comma W. Okay, so illi question ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ which of these following are not neighbors? Not neighbors ಅಂದ್ರೆ they should not be side by side.
R comma V.
Correct. Option A, R comma V is correct. Because R illide, V illide. So they are not neighbors. Okay. So one more thing, illi ee question alli andre nanu whichever book I have taken alli QWS final pattern is taken. Okay, because ee question alli nodi R and V are not neighbors. U and V are side by side. R and P are also side by side. Q and W check ಮಾಡಿ. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ SWQ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ QSW ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಆರ್ ದೇ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್? ಥರ್ಡ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಇದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ದೇ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ಬಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗೆ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? You can have only one option. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು, R and V are not neighbors. That is for sure. So that is why this option, the third option, is eliminated. Okay, so what is the final position now? This is the final position. SWQ. S is in 6th position. W is in the 5th position. Q is in the 4th position. Artha aita? Did you all understand this? Okay, because QS e question ge ನೀವು option 4 mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that will be wrong. Why? Because ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 possibilities ಇದೆ. So we had 2 possibilities here. Okay, but first option R and V ನಮಗೆ for sure ಗೊತ್ತು. We know they are not neighbors. So when you have 2 possibilities, 2 options ಒಂದೇ question ge, it cannot be correct. So based on options, you can eliminate which is the wrong possibility. Artha aita? Did you all understand why I'm telling only this is correct?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So for this question, which is the correct option now? Option 1, R comma V. Okay, R comma V are not neighbors. Next question is, okay, next question ke options are not required. I will just read out the question. Okay, listen carefully. The question is, which one is immediate right to V? Immediate right andre enu? Just right side of V alli which person is sitting?
T.
Position 1, correct. So T is the answer. This one, T is correct. Yes. Next is ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 statements ಇದೆ. You should tell which of the following statement is correct. Okay, ನಾನು one by one I will read the statement. You tell me if it is correct or wrong. Okay, first statement is P is sitting to the immediate right of Q. Is that true or false? P
False.
True.
to the
False.
immediate right of Q. Correct, that is false. P is sitting not to immediate right, it is sitting to immediate left. alva, this will become immediate left of Q. So first statement is wrong. Second statement is R is sitting in between U and V. Is it true?
False.
False. Second option also false. Third one is U is sitting in between W and S.
False.
False.
Next statement, Q is sitting to the immediate left of W.
True.
True. Correct. So the fourth option is correct. Idu immediate left agutte for W. So Q is sitting at immediate left. S is sitting at immediate right. Okay, idu artha aita? Did you all understand this? Everyone, idu
Yes,
artha?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last question. Illi question is what is the position of S? Adu options alli some statements are given. Based on the statements, answer ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, first one is position of S is between U and V. Is it true?
False.
Okay.
False.
Statement is position of S is second to the right of P. Position of S is second to the right of P. Is it true?
False.
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 Yes. Next, position of S is to the immediate right of W. Position of S is to the immediate right of W.
True.
True. Correct. So that's it. Option C is the correct answer. Position of S is to the immediate right of W. This is the immediate right. Right. Idu immediate left agutte. Correct. So to the immediate right of W, S is sitting. Artha aita? Did everyone understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. That's it for today. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.